Meghalaya Election Department has run the entire voters list through Electoral Rolls Services Net to detect duplicate, dual or bogus voters by analyzing similar entries, photos and names. The move comes in the wake of allegations of a massive number of dual voters in the electoral rolls in the past and gained significance as the state is set for assembly polls in 2023. State Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Karkongor said that even during enrollment process, the deduplication software is put to use and the department is confident of identifying duplicate entries through ERONet. Over 21 lakhs electorates will decide the fate of candidates in the 2023 assembly polls in Meghalaya, and there have been reports of interstate border residents going for dual voting in both the state.
Enrollment. We have deduplication software. So the system itself is now on what is known as ERONet. It is enrollment through the manual means has been gradually phased out, and we have now totally onboarded to the ERONet system, which has inbuilt checks and balances, and we have the deduplication software. So if a name is registered in more than one place, which is what a dual voter is, then the system itself will not allow you to proceed.